Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, key specs. Operating system, Android V13. Performance, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Octa-core, 3.36 GHz. Single-core plus 2.8 GHz. Quad-core plus 2 GHz. Tri-core. 12 GB RAM. Internal memory 256 GB. Display, 7.6 inches, 19.3 centimeters, dynamic AMOLED. 1812 by 2176 pixels, 373 pixels per inch. 120 Hz refresh rate. Gorilla Glass protection. Bezel-less with punch-hole display. Rear camera. Triple camera setup. 50MP wide-angle primary camera. 12MP ultra-wide-angle camera. 12MP telephoto, up to 3 times optical zoom camera. LED flash. 8K at 24 frames per second video recording. Front camera. 10MP plus 4MP wide-angle lens. 4K at 30 FPS video recording. Battery, 4,400 mAh. 25 watts fast charging, USB Type-C port. General, SIM 1, Nano SIM. SIM 2, eSIM. 5G supported in the Philippines. 256 GB internal storage, non-expandable. Water resistant.